Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a domain name on Wix. All right, so first up, go ahead over to your Wix Studio dashboard right here. Now, once done, go ahead and select the site. For example, this site right here. Select it and wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, you'll be landed to your site's dashboard. Okay. In here, just go to the left panel and click on Settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, go to the right-hand side, scroll down, and find Website Settings. Click on it, and in here you can easily change the free Wix subdomain, all right, by just going to the site address URL and change this one, okay? If not, you can go ahead and change your own domain. Either you purchase a new one or connect the one that you already own, okay? You can either connect it to your site or transfer the domain to Wix. Now, first up in here, under your site settings, just go back to settings. All right. Scroll down and find domains. Click on it. Now in here, just type down your domain name. Okay. For example, this one. Hit on let's go. Now go ahead and click on yes, I own this domain. All right. And make sure that you have the upgraded version of Wix or the premium version. Just click on upgrade and continue with the payment process. And once that's done, in the next pages, Wix will guide you through the transfer process, which may involve getting an authorization code or EPP code from your current registrar. Okay. If you have bought the domain from Wix, well, don't worry, your domain will be automatically tied to your Wix website. Now from there, you can just easily change the domain name by just going to settings once more, just like what I've shown you earlier. Website settings right here, or under domains. Right here. Okay. And that's how you change your domain name on Wix. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.